Today I am going to do more quadratic equation and how to solve them. I have shown you some of the question, and now more question which are quite different from each other. I am writing equation x square plus 2ab equal to b square plus 2ax. This is the question we have to solve this question. So for this, what you have to do, you write x square plus 2ab minus b square minus 2ax is equal to 0. So it can be written as, you see, x is from these two, a square minus b square, we can write a plus b into a minus b. And from these two, you can take common twice a. When you will take common twice a, it will be b remains here, and here you will get minus x equal to 0. But some problem creates here. I already told in the last examples that here and here two factors must be same. Here these are not same but similar type. It is x minus b, it is b minus x. So you make them same. So how you will make them same? It will be like this. You write x plus b. You write x minus b. This plus sign will be minus sign. Plus sign will be minus sign. And if you give here minus, it will be twice a into their sign will be changed. Minus become plus and plus become minus is equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now you see here in these two terms x minus b is the common factor. You write x minus b. Here you write x plus b left here, and here it is minus 2 equal to 0. So when product of two number is 0, then you write either x minus b equal to 0 or x plus b minus 2a equal to 0. This can be written as x equal to b, and here you can write x equal to 2a minus b. Okay, so we can solve this question like this. Okay, next, another one I am trying. Question is, now the question is 4 root 5 x square. Suppose question is 4 root 5 x square plus 7x minus 3 root 5 is equal to 0. Here we have to solve it by method of factorization. Again, factorization. So we have already told how factorization is done. First you multiply the coefficient of x square and the number and the constant term. So you see here 4 root 5 is there. I have written 4 root 5 and this one is 3 root 5. You multiply 4 into 3 is 12. And remember, root 5 into root 5 is 5. Then 12 into 5 will be 60. Here you see we need 7. So from here 60 can be written as 12 into 5. So if we write in place of 7, if we write 12 minus 5, then it will be 7. So you write 4 root 5x square plus 12x minus 5x minus 3 root 5 equal to 0. Here in first two terms you see you can take 4 common, not only 4, x is also common, 4x. So when 4x is common, we can write here root 5x plus 3, and here sorry, here you see this is quite critical, this part. I am showing you different in different paper. This this minus 5, you see minus 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5 into x. I have written 5x. Then minus 3 root 5 is there. So in place of 5x I have written this, in place of 3 root 5 I have written the same thing. You see now you can take common root 5. Minus is also common, minus root 5. So when you will take minus common, root 5 common, then in the first term you will get root 5x, and since you have taken minus common, it will be plus 3. So this one I am doing here. Here you write root 5 minus root 5 I have taken common, so another root 5 remains. Root 5 remains, x is also remains, minus I have taken outside, so it will be plus 3 is equal to 0. You see now, here these two factors are same. So you write root 5x plus 3 into 4x minus root 5 is equal to 0. After this you write either or, either root 5x plus 3 equal to 0, so can be written as root 5x equal to minus 3. Therefore x equal to minus 3 by root 5, 1. Answer. Another answer you write, or here you see 4x minus root 5 is 0. So we can write 4x equal to root 5. So x can be written as root 5 by 4. So this is the solution of this question. Here always you just give attention to put the value here. When root 5 is the sign, root 5 is there in this question somewhere, you have to multiply the root 5. From here you will get root 5 into root 5 is 5. So in place of, since there is no root 5 is seen here, till I have taken root 5 common, because 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. One root 5 if we take common, then another root 5 remains here. Okay. Next question. Another question. Question is a square b square x square plus b square x minus a square x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the question. You have to simplify it by again by factorization method. So you check what is common factor between these two. A square is not here, b square is there, x square and x is there. So we can take b square x common. After taking b square x common, what remains here? A square x remains, and here you will get plus 1. Some problem is there in the question. It should be negative. Now, here you see, in these two numbers, nothing is common, but minus is common in both. So you take minus 1 common. If nothing is common, always you write minus 1 is common. So if minus 1 is common, here what remains? Here the total things remains a square x plus 1 equal to 0. Now you see again, this is the common thing between these two terms. So you write a square x plus 1 into b square x minus 1 equal to 0. Now you write either a square x plus 1 equal to 0 or b square x minus 1 equal to 0. It can be written as a square x equal to 1. So x is 1 by a square. Here you write b square x equal to 1. So x will be equal to 1 by b square. So this is the simplification of this question. Okay. This is also by method of factorization. Now you see one question I am doing here, very, very important. 1 by a plus b plus x is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. You have to solve this one. So for this you write 1 by a plus b plus x is equal to, here you see a, b and x is there. So abx is the LCM. Now if you divide abx by a, bx remains, bx into 1 will be bx. bb cancel, so ax remains, you write here ax. xx cancel, ab remains, you write here ab. Next part, you see, now we will multiply crosswise, cross multiplication. A into bx is abx. A into ax is a square x. A into ab is a square b. Now by b you multiply all. B into bx is b square x. B into ax is abx. Then b into ab is ab square. Now by x you have to multiply again. X into bx is bx square. X into ax is ax square. X into ab is abx is equal to abx. You see their multiplication, 3 into 3 9 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times in the left side and abx in the right side. This is x. Now you see abx cancel. If same thing remains in both sides, then it can be cancelled. Now you see it has x square, it has also x square. So I have taken x square common from here. X square is taken common, so a plus b left. Now it is, you see here a square x, here b square x, here abx and abx means 2abx. You see it carefully. We are actually finding the terms which contain x. So a square x, b square x, abx and abx, 2abx. So from all I have taken x common. When as x is common from here, it will be a square. You see abx and abx, 2abx. X is taken common, so it remains 2ab. Now bx, b square x, so x is taken common, so it remains b square. Okay, then you write plus. Now two number remains, it is a square b and it is ab square. These are two things remains. So in between a square b and ab square, you can take ab common. So when ab is taken common, it remains a plus b. And right hand side is 0, nothing is there. Now you write x square into a plus b same plus, here you see, it is a formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square is a formula of what? A plus b whole square. And x is with it, so you write x. Now you write ab into a plus b is equal to 0. Now you see, in this term a plus b is there, in this term a plus b is 2 times. Square means 2 times. In this term also a plus b is there. So you do one thing, you divide. You do no need to write it, but for your help I am writing this one here. So a plus b cancel, what remains? X square plus a plus b cancel, what remains? A plus b into x. A plus b into x, and a plus b cancel means ab left equal to 0, you write. Next line, x square plus, you just remove the bracket, ax plus bx plus ab is equal to 0. Now you take common between these two. X is common. So what remains? X plus A. Plus here B remains. What B is taken common. So what remains? X plus A equal to 0. Now you see x plus a came in both the term. So you take x plus a common. When x plus a is common, what remains? X plus b equal to 0. Now you write either x plus a equal to 0 or x plus b equal to 0. So from here we can write x equal to minus a, and here you can write x equal to minus b. So this is the solution of this question. Very important. So this is complete. Next part I will do in the next video. So I hope you will be benefited. And if any one of you is interesting, please subscribe my channel to get more sums of class 10. Thank you. Good night.